So audio right away would be not that great this time, I guess. Using my monitor's microphone. Um, for some reason, my phone is not showing up as audio source. So yeah, it's been an hour, I guess. So let's do other questions. I would not like to take other breaks now. So let's see if things fine. Yeah, it is recording. The audio levels are coming. Yeah. So next question is flood fill. Let's do it. So flood fill is here. You're given an image represented by m by n grid of integers and an image. The image represents the pixel value of image. You are also given three integers SR, SC on the source row or source column, maybe, right? And color. Your task is to perform flood fill in the image on the image starting from the pixel, source row, and source column. So I guess suppose the source row and column is in middle. So I will start from there, skip the zeros, and traverse everywhere else, and plus one, right? Hmm. Okay, color is given as zero, so not plus one. Just replace the um, image with the given color or whatever it is accessible. So it is saying source row is this, source color is this, and color is zero, color is two. Okay, let's see. Begin to starting pixel, change this color to color, perform the process for each pixel that is directly adjacent. Share side with horizontal pixel, either horizontally, vertically, or no diagonals, and share the same color as the starting pixel. Means okay. So no, there are no barriers. Suppose if start from zero, then I can only access zero. If start from one, then I can only access one. So I need some constraints. I need some iteration values, right? So we have this here. Let's get the common color. And common color equals image of source row and source column. Sorry, not like this. Yeah, source column. And this is common color, right? Which I have to replace with given color. So current color, you can say, this I have to replace with the given color if they're adjacent. So I probably need some. I'll have to do a BFS, right? So I can visit each and every path. Maybe I can also do a DFS, but first I'll start with BFS because I'm actually more familiar with that. So I'll start with that. So in a BFS, we require a queue. We require some directional constraints so we do not pass the boundaries, and we need to check if the adjacent colors are same as the current color. Then only we will color it, right? And then only we will add it to queue as well to color them. So yeah, that's the whole. I have not read the question actually. Wait. Perform the same operation. Begin with the starting pixel and change its color. Perform the same operation. Directly adjacent. Okay. Keep repeating process by checking neighbor pixel of the updated pixel and modifying the color if it matches the original color of the starting pixel. Yeah, correct. The process stops when there are no more additional pixel of the original color to update. So I can say OC, right? OC sounds kind of cool. OC, the original color, and I'll have some directional constraints or something like to iterate on, right? So basically, I remember I used to take this vector int. Uh, mm, 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 mm. vector and vector and d equals, I guess, this one. 0 comma 0 means no, not 0 comma 1. I guess upside it will be this is row, then this is column, so this is going to be right side 0 comma 1, right? And this will be, I guess this declaration can be wrong as well. Okay, so to go to the left side we need 0 comma minus 1, and to go to top actually we'll need uh, 0 comma, no, no, to go to the top actually we need to reduce the row, right? So minus 1 comma 0, and go to the bottom we need to increase the rows, then we will 1 comma 0. Then we can get the constraints like int uh, m equals, suppose m by n, right? So row and columns m int m equals image dot size, right? And int, I hope it's not like it's a matrix always, right? Not a variable or something, a variable matrix, like only some weird shit. First array is dynamic, like not a array of dynamic arrays, right? So yeah, n equals image of 0 dot size. So this is how we can take this. Now we'll need to get a q, q u e u e q, and we need to put the coordinates. So coordinates going to be SR and C. So we can do it in a pair, or we can do it in a 2D array as well. Right, so let's start with a pair. Q of pair PAIR, and that would be int comma int. I guess this is how we declare a pair. I do not remember Q, and we can do Q dot push. Uh, in Q dot push we can push uh, SC comma, I mean SR comma SC. Okay. Now while queue is not empty, this is here we are just like previous question, to traverse level, do a level order traversal of a tree. We are going to do this. That was BFS. Now this is also BFS. So actually we can discuss the concept of BFS in on the video. So we have several concepts to declare. Sorry, not to declare, to discuss. First is I mean, this is just for me. So I just want to, like, this time I want to concrete my understanding. So also this video helps me to like stay in the zone. Actually, these all videos are for me. I hope if I do something any good, like anything good, in future this might help someone who is at same level as me. I guess like I'm not here to with the mindset like at least I'm trying to help myself first. If I were not to record this video, I would have taken too much time to like do a question, get interruptions, and this is a great way to talk my mind out, right? So I would like to study harder concepts as well as I go, because as we know, as we progress, I'll be facing more problems like medium and hard questions. Obviously, for them, I am not prepared, right? I'm not equipped with the topics which I know and other things. So side by side, I would start to study those topics as well. I would try to squeeze out some time for that. But if you see me struggling with any question, just that I haven't prepared then. So I guess this way or other, I would like to like this way or other, I'll get the understanding, right? either by doing the question on video or doing off screen. Maybe I can study on screen as well. See, whatever makes me consistent, I'll do that. So right now, these videos are helping me a bit much. Not a negative way. They're helping me quite a much, right? To stay on track. At least I have done 8 questions. Otherwise, I would have taken a week or 2 weeks or so for just doing these easy questions only. So yeah, let's start. I'll talk with myself later. While mm, um, q dot empty means while q is not empty. Okay, and we will take a pair int comma int current current I'll extract this coordinates from the cur. First I'll need to get this q dot front, and I'll do q dot pop, and I'll do uh, int x equals cur dot first, right? And int y equals dot second. I think, yeah. It's been a long time since I done with like anything with C++. I'm just doing it. You can say it's been at least a year and a half again. So yeah, dot second. And we have this both. Now we'll iterate over that vector which we have created at line number 5. Let me zoom in, by the way. Yeah, so let me zoom in a little more. Yeah, so at line number 5, whatever we have created, I will iterate over that, I would think. And during the iteration, I need to take care of the constraints. Those constraints are: the next pixel should be same color as OC, and we are not crossing the boundaries. Then only we will push the next pixel or coordinate inside the cube, right? Yeah. So correct. So for uh, 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 I mean for uh, vector, right? Vector int, I can do dir, and from D we are extracting this, and uh, if now in this if condition we can check for all those constraints, right? So if x plus d of 0, I believe, like the row and column problem, I hope that not get hit with uh, x plus d plus 0 is should be less than m, right? Less than m, less than equals to m. And right, and last index can also be accessed, so there's no worries. Like size is 7, so we are not really considering about the accesses. What are we really considering about? So I'm not going to add it somewhere, right? So I just need to make sure like it is less than m, and it should be greater than 0, right? Greater than or equal to 0, that I can check. So I can do and x plus d of 0 should be greater than equal to 0, right? And other thing is y plus d of 1 should be again should be smaller than n, and y plus d of 1 should be greater than equal to 0. And the last thing, the given color, right? So Um, so any of this thing fails, right? So let's not do it here. In next, if it would be better, I believe. So again, if any of the condition fails, it will not evaluate the next condition, but still it would look better if I create it in a different if, right? So the reason I hope you are intuitively able to understand what I'm trying to say here is, suppose anything is less than zero and right, and greater than the given limits, right, m and n, then it would give the out of bound error exception or whatever in C++ is comes. So that error may come if you try to check this condition first before all these conditions. So what condition I'm talking about is this: if uh, image, right, image x plus, I mean, better like doing this x plus d plus 0, we can do int nx, right? Nx equals x plus d of 0 and int yx, no, ny, new x and new y, right? So y plus d of 1, like this. Now we can use here nx, and here again nx, and here ny, and here ny as well. Yeah. Now in image of nx and ny should be, if they are equal, right? If they are equal to OC, correct? If they are equal to OC, then only we will push it to q dot push new pair nx comma ny. That's it. I guess this should. Okay, I haven't updated it. So once I push this, right? While pushing it, should I update it, or while popping it, should I update it? Like, okay, you are not updating anything. Maybe this image thing I can itself I can return. Let's check me a scenario. Let me check a scenario. When I push this one, right? So I'm able to iterate through these many ones, this one and this one only. So I pop it, make it 2. Then I have pushed this one and this one already. When I pop it, then I can make it 2, right? After the pops. So when I push this one and when I push this one, while pushing them, if I made them 1, 2, or whatever you say, uh, so when I pop them or push them, doesn't matter. If I make that 2, so yeah, I guess after pushing or popping, we can see after execution or try run when I should do it. Let's do now. So suppose I push this one and then push this one. First I will. So after pop, suppose I have made it 2, then it is already there. Now after pop, I have made it 2, but I have already pushed these twos, right? And this is 2. But next pop, this will come, and this one is already there. It is not 2 yet. So this will be again inside the what you say. This will be again inside the queue. So it will be repetitive, right? So better before pushing it, I make it 2. Yeah, this is how we should do it. Yeah, yeah, correct. So before pushing it, I should make it 2. I mean image of nx and ny equal to 2. I mean not 2, color, color, color. And before pushing it here also, I should make it then image of nx, not nx, I mean sr, okay, and sc should be color. Let's see, and I should return this image itself. Image, right? Let's see if it runs okay or not. Okay, I missed one of this bracket. Now what? Int, int, int is not a function or parameter or pointer. Cur dot first first. I guess this is how access the. This is how we access the variables of pair. Should I do this then? Let me check. No, should be dot only, right? Or popping it makes the problem. What's the problem? What is the problem? Is the what is the problem? Mister? What is the problem, Mister? Int is not a function or a pointer. Okay, let me check. Uh, pair C plus plus C. Pair dot one the first and pair dot second. Yeah, right. Have I made any mistake? Int char pair like this, pair like that. Mm, how should I do this? Do with it. Is there anything wrong I've done? Pair int int. Let's just make it auto. Let's see. Auto. Yes, this will also be better. Auto. What's the problem here? First, FIRST spelling is correct or wrong? FIRST. Oh, okay. Dot first only, not the functional brackets. Okay, 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 okay. Got the point. Dot first. My bad, my bad. Mm. Mm. Compilation error. Okay. Mm-mm-mm-mm. I remember I've used it like this. Maybe okay. If I just make it, let's just make it an array. I'll check why it's not working. And D and we need four rows, right? And two columns. Let's see. So yeah, you see, I'm dumb in this case. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I know what I'm doing, but I do not remember this language correctly. What I'm doing wrong is I need to understand. We got int x, we got int y. It's saying initialize a variable of type int with a r value, right value of int star. Okay, this is showing as a pointer maybe. So it is still it is an array, right? So if I do this dir auto dir out of d, oh my god, I'm so stupid, so stupid, stupid. Mm. Oh my god. Yeah. I mean X only. Yeah, this is not the problem of language. This is, I guess, it is 332. Maybe this is what it is. Let's check. And now the logic still remains like logic's not just tested. What I'm doing, image. I'm trying to return image. Okay, bracket maybe is wrong. No, bracket is not wrong. So, are there any extra bracket? No, I believe. So, I don't think so. There's an extra bracket. Mm, just writing. This is not what the. I mean, yeah, it's late in the night. Let's see if the logic is fine or not. At least it came to this return thing. Mm, okay, logic is not correct. PLE is here. Means this case. This case is giving TLE. Maybe because it is finding everything as zero, and with the thing I was trying to do was that visited thing, right? I was trying to count the visited using the incremented value itself, right? So that is the problem now for me. It is so either I create a visited array, or I can like, let's see if it is giving correct answer for this one, right? Yeah, yeah, it is giving the correct answer for this one. So yeah, the problem is either I create a visited array, or somehow I manage in this array. So what we are doing is before I mean, if you change or not, the source color is same, right? So mm, what logic I can do here? What pruning I can do here? Uh, the starting pixel is already colored with 0, which is the same as the target color. Therefore, no changes are made to the image. Okay, okay, all right. Mm, mhm, mhm, mhm. The starting image is already colored with 0, which means which is the same as the target color. Therefore, no changes are made to the image. That I'm not getting. I mean, what it is trying to say. At least you will traverse, right? So, uh, if you are having color 0 and source color is also 0, I mean this OG is 0, and source and row source column you are pointing here. This is already 0. Means you are not updating it. That is correct. But are you not pushing the next ones? Means if the target color, hey, where is this condition mentioned? Note the bottom corner is not colored. Bottom corner, which bottom corner? Okay, this one it is trying to say. This corner. Okay. Uh, Begin with the starting pixel and change its color. Perform the same process for each pixel that is directly adjacent. Pixels that share a side with the original pixel, either horizontally or vertically, and shares the same color as the starting pixel. Keep okay. Mm, Perform the same process for each pixel that is directly adjacent. It shares the same color as the starting pixel. Keep repeating. Uh, the process stops when there are no more adjacent pixel of the original color to update. So if there are no more adjacent pixel of the original color to update, so original color is zero only. We are going to update anyhow, right? This condition was not mentioned. I'll use a visited array. Wait, I'll use a boolean visited boolean array. No worries. Let me take it. I guess this kind of not a well explained question, but maybe it's an easy question. It expects me to use a boolean, right? Bool and image remove, say visited, and we can. Where do we declare the size? I forgot. We declare the size, I guess, after the name of the variable, and we do uh, m, that means number of arrays we are going to have, that means row, comma, vector, and bool, and again one like this, and comma, false, right? Right, maybe. I hope I'm correct. And let's put it below here. And after placing it here, what can I do is this one is false, like all of them are false. Now I can do copy this one, visit it, and after making it as a color, I'm also visited and sr sc equals true, and uh, here also we will do that. Visited nx ny equals true, and here itself maybe uh, if image equals nx, like this is a oc and not visited, right? Yes, I did. And visited of nx and ny is not true. It's, it is a false, then it will be true, right? Then maybe we can see if both the test cases pass this time. Okay, what all test cases we have? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here's the test case. Here's the test case. I'll copy this. I'll paste it. I'll make it 0. I'll make it 0. I'll make it 0. Now let's test this. Now both of them ran. I hope there's no base case now. This is too much code for this question. I'd like to see something better, right? Because this is too much code. Such a simple question. Maybe at least this is a BFS. Someone, if someone has managed a better way, we can check. Uh, let's see if the solutions. Simple solution, diagrams, video, Java, C++. I mean, flood field graph. Void. Okay, he is using DFS. Okay, DFS is not a bad thing to skip. Okay, he's a great. I'll try to understand this one. Uh, by the way, I wanted to use this one. I'll not understand this one. I'll create a separate video for this myself. No, 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 no. I'll do that myself. Solutions, solutions. Yeah, I'll try to see in C++, and everyone is doing in DFS. No one is using BFS. Very good. Solutions, solutions. Problem list why I'm shuffling. Solutions, yeah. DFS, no DFS, please. BFS, please. BFS, please. Yeah, BFS is here. Actually, I will struggle to find a BFS solution, like brute force solution for this one. Let's see the code. Okay, the code is quite big for him. His also, yeah. All right. So what he has done? Uh, Created a pair just like me, and created a visited array just like me, and his code is little worse than me. I feel like no, no one going to return visited array. CHE may be the current color he's trying to say. Alpha and beta omega. If Q is not empty, front up till 4, alpha beta, checking, checking if it is false or not. Same thing. Updating the visited array only, and as per the visited array is updating the color, returning the image. I guess this is worse of solution than mine. Solution, someone good solution BFS, someone Python. I mean, I can live with Python. This is a DFS code. What is the BFS code? So he got the direction array sorted. Yep. Old color he got. Q. He got a Q, right? And he added this, I guess, in the queue. And while queue for in range length queue, I mean, this maybe while queue is there, then 400 whatever. Getting row and column, queue pop left means from the front. Okay. Image row column, new color. Row offset, column offset in directions. New offset is adding old offset. Okay, I'm saying like he's not using a visited array. How? If he has added this, if he's added this condition, why is he using or? Okay, he's skipping these conditions. If like, um, okay, got his point. Got his point. Reversed all the checks and skipping the condition. Otherwise, he's adding. So let me just understand. Hmm. Yeah, but he's adding but not performing the operation. Why? The operation being the operation is happening here. Two for loops. Three loops. Okay, I should not have checked that. I'm so sorry for myself. for checking this. I'll just do this BFS quickly. Show me, show me. C++, show me. Not relevant. Most votes of BFS, please. Explain. He's saying his code is cleanest. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it is cleanest. Nice. So if what is COL? COL is current color. If the current color is color, then okay. So he has used that condition for the zeroth one, right? And then he's added a queue. In queue, he has added a source row, source column, and updated the color of that one. So after adding it to the queue, he's updating the color and vector pair. I guess this one would be also worse. Alright, is using direction for in this way as well. Auto director direct n x and y he has calculated. If x and alright, he has did all the checks and no checks regarding uh, this the check which I have done to optimize. I believe this is I have done to optimize the question a little bit, um, but he's not doing that, and no visitor is used. He's just using this. If the this one, okay, I can remove the visited then, right? If this will work, then I can remove the visited one. Let's do that. Let's not use this visited then. Let me comment it out. Commented out and commented out and removed, right, and commented out, and I can directly do if where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, I'm getting this OC here. If OC equals voila, right? Return image. Let's see. Run it. Let me submit it. This is okay. Now this this thing is beating everything. All right. Fine. Fine. Actually, I was thinking about this solution, but I thought like we have to visit. Still, we have to visit all the nodes. But yeah, that case was fine. Better play. I'll. This is already 43 minutes. My God. Need to do the DFS solution maybe, right? How many submission I have done for this? Two only, huh? I think I have not done this question here before. Okay. Mm, for DFS, actually, need to do some analysis. Never did DFS before, actually. I have not done DFS before. But I know the concept of DFS, and I'm a little bit tired. So let me remove all code, right? Yeah, all the code. So basically, this image is by reference. We can return image without any problem, and we can call the DFS function from here. Uh, DFS, and I need to understand like in DFS we are calling recursively. Either I can use a stack or use a recursion. And in recursion, suppose this is the array I have been starting from here. This thing I cannot push. This thing I cannot push. A function will be called for this iteration. So I'll not be using this. The function will exit. then I'll be doing this, the functional exit. I will be not I'll not be using this. Then I'll be doing this, the top one. Yeah, that will work. Then I will be updating this, right, and I'll either go left or right before adding, right. I need to I need to update this as well, right? So I'll go this way. If I go this way, then I see, yeah, one. I'll make it to end, push it, and see this condition not valid, this condition not valid, means left or right I cannot go. Down I could go, then again push, then again push, right I cannot go. I have already made them two. So there's nothing, I'll have to pop. 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 So no, 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 there's something. So I'll not be popping. In next iteration, I'll find this. I'll update this. See, I'll see there's nothing. I'll have to pop. There's nothing because I cannot visit the node which is written as 2, right? So I'll have to pop. So after popping everything, I'll okay, okay. So each iteration, I will be sending one this image, right? The array and sr, sc, and Koala, I believe. Let's do DFS. Public DFS. Yeah. Void DFS. I mean, we can just copy the parameters from here and put it here. Okay, sorry. I used the wrong key. Not familiar with Mac. My bad. I'll put it here and let's start this. Next, yeah, it's the same base condition, I guess. We need to see if means if and OG as well, right? And OG OC image of SR SC. If OC equals, I mean this thing I can do here as well. No need to do in this place. I'll do this here. OC, right? And after color I'll pass one OC. OC equals if OC equals color return image image and I'll do int with a comma, I mean comma int OC. Now we have all the things and what we need is vector int dir equals this comma this comma this comma this. Maybe if I can just quickly copy it from the submissions. Right click on this one. Yeah, we can copy it. Copy and paste. Right now I don't know what I'm doing. I will play. In DFS, what kind of base case we need and what we actually need to do, I'll understand through this problem actually, and I'll try to get my hand correct in this one because DFS I have not done a problem correctly till yet. So this is my first time. Not in past 2 or 3 years, I don't remember. So yeah. So we got this DIR. I need to pick fast, right? I'm a little slow, but I like to speak out my mind. Actually, I'm learning right now, for me at least. So we'll do iteration 4. Auto D No problem. I guess I can update it here before calling it. We can do that. So, image of SR and SC. Okay, equals color. Let's see how it will fold. So SR plus D of 0 int ny equals SC plus D of 1. Now we need M and N as well, right? So the limits. So I guess I can do each and everything maybe. Believe in each iteration that will not take much time. So let's do this. I guess we already have the code. I don't want to type much right now, and I can get this MNN from here. I'll copy this and paste it here, right? And we can use the condition as well from the other solution from other solution. On solution, this one. What was the condition? What was the condition, my dog? Here it is. So this was the condition. Till this I can copy, I believe. And I need to put two brackets after this. So command V. So we have two brackets like this, like this, like this, and like this. Yeah, this will be fine. And we need to and make this as a color. Now I can call the function EFS image comma s not SR nx comma uh, ny comma color comma OC. Let's see if this will work. I believe this should be the solution for DFS. Otherwise, I'll just look at the solution. Okay, this is working. So is it DFS? I guess this is my guess. I'll just make a hypothesis after this and then we will look at the solutions. Let me submit it and let's check if this is correct or not. Okay, this got accepted. All right. Uh, need to check. We need to check. So let's see solutions. Let's go out of this. Let's move this in C++ most voted. So Python is there, JavaScript is there, Go is there, C++ is there. So finally someone is using this DFS. Okay, this guy is using the lambda function or something, huh? It's just using this return like do nothing if these cases are there, and is calling the DFS 4 times. Yeah, right. I'm also calling it 4 times, but not with this less. I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Using 1, 2, 3 things. Source color, row and column. So, do I need OC? Yes, OC is there. Do I need color? I mean, no, right? Because we can get this color using these two, and maybe um, jet reversal or different color. I don't know if they think they are very intelligent by making this solution, but yeah, this is something to learn. Actually, I will not hate at him. This is something to learn. like DFS is a function, and he's using this. I think today I'll let it pass. If someday I see this again, this type of function, I'll try to learn. But now I'll pass it. Yeah. So we have this DFS function here, and this function is here as a void. It's calling itself, and now the function is called first time from here. So we have the source color, source code, whatever. So it is not doing anything if anything's wrong. Like the image is already there, the color is already there, right? The color is already there. It is not doing anything. If the color is the same as source color, it is not doing anything. Otherwise, it is updating it with the new color. And how it is finding the new color, I need to check. Wait, it is getting this new color. Okay, all right. So in the function itself, the gentleman has updated image SC new color. Okay, new color is there already. We have just passed source color. Okay, okay, got it. So then this extra parameter it is using already existing parameter. Okay, got it. Fine. I can stop this video finally. Mine is also fine. I'm not trying to get impressed by him. I am not doing the same mistakes I have done years back. Alright, my solution is also fine. Thank you.